Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to oil your fishing rod. Start by removing the reel and wiping guides to expose metal and wraps. Inspect all guides, ferrules, and wraps for damage before applying oil. Lay the rod on a padded surface and keep supplies nearby so you can work methodically. Small, consistent steps prevent mistakes and protect your rod from corrosion while improving casting performance and longevity. Choose a light, penetrating oil to protect guides and metal components without gumming up your rod. Test new products on an inconspicuous section to confirm compatibility with wraps and finishes. Avoid heavy greases and automotive lubricants that attract grit and can ruin varnish. Prefer oils labeled for tackle or fine mechanisms to ensure safe use. Keep oil off cork handles by using a cloth barrier and store oil away from heat. Apply a drop of oil to a clean cloth or swab and lightly coat each guide and ferrule ring. Work from handle to tip while rotating the rod so oil reaches all contact points without pooling. Wipe away excess oil with a dry cloth to prevent dirt buildup and check wraps and thread for trapped moisture. Reattach the reel, run line through guides, and do a few test casts to ensure smoother, quieter performance on the water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.